There's whale sharks everywhere here.
Oh, this is awesome, guys. In this episode, we've got some special news for you guys in regards to a boat. We're camping out here on the ocean. We're going to be spearfishing and we're going to be swimming with some gentle giants of the deep blue. This is a pretty special one, guys. G'day guys and welcome back to a pretty special episode. Check this out. We're out on a brand new boat today thanks to our good mates at Genesis Craft. We couldn't wait to test it out, so we've come out for a bit of a late afternoon run. This is going to be awesome, guys. We've got lots to tell you, lots to show you. We can't wait, but now let's just get straight into the action. What do you reckon, Captain Fran?
Let's do it.
This thing is fun.
You can feel the power, hey?
Yeah. A couple of dolphins just here. Yeah, see?
We just spotted some dolphins. Oh, they're right here. Oh my god. There's so many. Hey, what are you guys up to? Are you gonna make them ride the boat?
See if they want to. Hang on, I'll see if they want to.
Yeah. I'm gonna sit right here. Oh, what a spot. Let's see if they want to play. No, they didn't engage this time. Let's keep going. Oh, wow. The water looks so clear. They just look so friendly with their smile all the time. So cool.
Did you get a good look at them?
Yeah, they just had a quick look and then they kept going. They looked like they were on a mission.
Yeah. Must be feeding, eh?
Yeah. Let's go get some fish, eh?
Sounds good.
Look at him or her.
It's a big Queensland groper has just come up to say g'day. That's so cool. You see his yellow fins there. He's going back to the bommy.
Wow.
All right, go for it. Fran's just jumped in to check out this little reef patch here. There was that big Queensland groper that came up to say g'day, so hopefully she runs into him down there. It looks like there's a fair bit of other fish life. Ooh. She's making a dive. Oh, you can see him over there. It's right in front of her, that big Queensland groper. It's huge, man. You.
It's right on the surface.
Yeah. It came right up.
That was so cool. It was right on the surface with all the dramas flying around her.
How's the view from up here? This is just amazing. This thing feels like a ship in comparison to the Salty Dingo. Fran's just having a look on those bommies there. How was it?
Oh, so good. Let's go spearfishing.
Yeah, let's head out to some deeper water where hopefully there's bigger fish. Let's try our luck for spearing, eh?
It's probably time to take the oversized sign off.
Whoops. What's this? Oh, big current line here. There's a huge calm patch here, which is a current line, and there's a couple of big waves of something cruising through them.
There's so many jellyfish. It looks like there's so much krill, which is what the whale sharks feed on. We might be on here. I'm so excited. Just gonna wait for one to pop up. So much little bait, and the krill, which is those little shrimps. Ah, we just saw one popping up. Let's go, let's get ready.
Let's do it. Oh yes, that's a whale shark, Fran, up ahead there. Sick. So this is a current line, guys. You can see all the jellyfish here are getting pushed into this current line, and then with them there's a whole heap of krill, and then feeding on the krill is the largest fish in the ocean just out here. This is a whale shark, and it looks like there's mobula rays. Oh, everything is aggregating right here at the moment. Fran, let's get the drone in there. Oh, bit of feeding happening there. This is epic, guys. So on the drone you can actually see these krill balls, and they're just getting engulfed by these giant whale sharks. This is crazy. Oh, we can come back up. Oh, that's so cool. We're gonna have to jump in for a closer look. This is just incredible. We've never seen so many before. We've kind of seen one, maybe even two together, but because there's so much food source here, they're almost competing against each other to get a good feed. And it's amazing. I think there's 8 in the one drone shot here. We're witnessing something pretty special at the moment. Oh, I've got to get in there as well. This is crazy. I'm gonna put the drone in the air above us and hopefully it'll follow us, and hopefully the boat doesn't drift off. Phew, I'm coming, Fran. This is crazy. They're all competing for food at the moment.
So many jelly as well.
Just got a face full of jellyfish.
I know. They're everywhere.
Feeding frenzy of them.
There's so many. Hey. Oh my god, I'm completely wrapped by jellyfish.
They're all tangled up. Amazing, eh?
That was unreal. I just got in and Jackie's still in the water. And at some point I could see at least 6 all around us and bumping into each other, and you had to get out of the way. That was such an epic experience. But the sun is about to set, so we're gonna have to head in and find a good anchorage for tonight. Let's do it. You ready to find an anchorage?
I'm ready. Here's all this krill here. This is what they were eating.
Oh yeah,
See it all jumping?
Oh, so much.
Good luck, guys. You're gonna need it. Are you ready?
All right, ready?
Let's go.
Oh, so much krill. Oh, whale shark. Oh, mabula ray actually. Mabula ray. Whales just here. So many of them. That's us.
That's us.
Good spot. What a spot! I think we're gonna have dinner on the roof tonight. Come on, I'm hungry.
It is a stretch.
You're gonna get this in the head.
What's going on here?
We even have a shower on board. So good. A hot shower. Woo.
Here you go. We're gonna have dinner on the top deck.
Come on in. Welcome to the rooftop.
This is nice up here, isn't it?
So good.
For the ones of you wondering, this is called Cob Grill, and we highly recommend it for all your adventures and picnics. You can cook on it in so many ways, and it's windproof. Our mates are currently giving all our followers a 10% discount, so if you wanted to get one, this is your chance. Scan the QR code or click the link in the descriptions, and make sure you use the code CASTAWAYS at checkout.
The last bit of the sun has just gone to bed over the horizon there, and fingers crossed it's a calm night ahead of us. But guys, we just sort of ran out of time today, but we're going to give you the full boat tour in the morning, run you through all the different features and really show off this vessel. But for now, it's probably just an appropriate time to thank Genesis Craft for really coming to our rescue, guys. If you saw last week's episode, you would have seen we ran into a bit of a pickle and the Salty Dingo had a bit of an incident. Once again, Genesis Craft have come to save us. So for you regular viewers, you would have seen a Genesis Craft boat that we're on previously heading up the East Coast. We actually lived on board that boat for 4 months, so you'd see what they're capable of. This boat is even bigger and even better, so we're really excited to show it off to you. We'll give you the full rundown of what the deal is and how it all works tomorrow morning. But for now, we've got some steaks to eat and we're gonna enjoy the night on a nice calm ocean. What do you reckon, Fran?
It's almost ready. Dinner is served. We didn't get the chance to spear anything today. We got a bit too excited with the whale sharks. So hopefully we'll get something in the morning. But Jack did go and do the shopping this morning. That's all he got. Luckily I had a zucchini in the fridge. I only got steaks.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner. So good. So good.
Dishes have never been so easy. Let's boil some water and make a little hot chocolate before bed. Ready. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's our first night on the boat.
Yeah, very comfortable, isn't it?
Good morning, I just lost my wetsuit and it's too cold to jump, so Jack jumped for me. What a hero! Come on in. Are you naked?
Yeah, I'm naked. An emergency maneuver drill. Thank you. Alright guys, time for a boat tour. So this is the Genesis Craft 750 Cuddy cabin. Now the whole Genesis Craft fleet come in all different shapes, sizes and layouts, but the Cuddy cabin refers to the cabin up the front. I'm going to start right down the very back of the boat and work our way forward, and I'll give you a bit of a rundown. Some of the features are quite different, quite unique. The guys at Genesis sort of think outside the box a little bit, which I really, really like, and I'll show you what I mean a little bit later on. But starting at the back here, there's this big kind of swim platform, which makes it great for getting in and out of the water, which is awesome. They're running a Mercury 300 horsepower V8. The first time I used this engine was yesterday. It seemed very quiet, very silent, and very powerful. It gets up and goes. I'll let you know over the coming months what I think of it, but so far so good. All right, moving forward onto the boat. So at the back here, they've got a filleting board, but when we're not doing much filleting, it gets used as a drying rack. Plenty of rod holders here to store all your rods, cups or beer holders, depending on how you're so inclined. Got a live bait tank here. It just turns on with the flick of a switch, and then you can keep all your fish and live baits live in there. Down here with the battery storage, they've got ample battery powers with big lithium batteries to be able to run hot water showers, to be able to run charging of everything we need. So plenty of battery power in there. And then the gunnels have really been utilized for maximum space and storage. Got a deck wash, which is great for doing the dishes and cleaning the deck if you ever get blood over the deck with fish. Now this is a pretty nifty feature when you're fishing and your hands are all fishy and you don't want to get your deck wash dirty. All you got to do is press this button here with your knee. You've got an automatic hand wash over the side. That's pretty cool, hey? Everything here is customized, so you can choose to either have a big swim platform out the back or that kind of fish fighting platform. All right, the next thing, which is pretty cool, is the kill tank. So a lot of boats have a kill tank. It allows you to get your fish underneath the floor and frees up a lot of the deck space, which will be taken up by an esky. But this is the first one I've ever seen that is actually refrigerated. It's full of water at the moment because we forgot to put the bung in, but all you need to do at this point is click a switch And then this refrigeration unit will cool that water down to whatever temperature you want, whether you want it to be like an icy slurry to store your fish or your beers. But that's really, really handy, and it frees up your deck space where there would be a big esky. All right, moving forward, we've got fridge number 1. And plenty of storage. And then into the bathroom. Hot shower, flushing toilet, that's a real luxury for us out on the water. We haven't had that before. All right, coming forward into the saloon. What do you like about this area, Fran?
It's very spacious and it's got a nice fridge here.
Yeah.
We've got the grill here for now.
Swinging table.
Yeah.
Absolutely awesome. So the layout up here, guys, is a lot more, I guess, luxurious than the previous Genesis we'd been on. And once again, this can all be customized, but I really like the lounge setup and the fridge and the swinging table. It makes it feel like a living room on the ocean here. We're just kind of speaking to ourselves, saying like we'd happily live on board this for long periods of time. Everything is just really foolproof. It's just the click of a well-labeled switch will turn on what you want to have on. So that's pretty cool. Got a huge, it's like a flat screen TV. Hummingbird setup. I haven't used the Hummingbirds much before, but I'll let you know what I think of them as it goes. Got a mirror, yeah. And this is an area we really appreciate, being able to charge everything. So we've got drones on charge up here, sort of out of the salt, out of the weather, and just have them constantly on charge. That's going to be one of the biggest differences for us on this boat versus the Salted Ingos, being able to share so much more footage with you guys because we can have cameras charged. And this opens up. All right, this is the bedroom down here and has this headspace all the way around, so very, very comfortable. We'll be spending a fair bit of time on board in here. In here they've got a pie warmer or an oven, which is very cool. I've never seen one of these on a boat before, so you can reheat anything you want. There, keen to test that out. And then once again, charging plugs everywhere, kind of at all 4 corners of the room. There's more charging plugs, so super convenient and practical layout, I reckon. All right, let's head on up to the top deck. This is pretty awesome to have a big stable platform up the top here, and we've got plenty of solar up the top here, really utilizing that. We've got spotlight, electric anchor winch. I'm sure there's plenty more stuff that I've forgotten about, but hopefully we'll get familiar with it all as we use this boat more and more. So we're pretty excited that this boat allows us to explore even further afield for, we're hoping, the next 2 months, guys, which we're just so excited about. But if you're in the market for a new boat, we can't recommend Genesis Craft high enough. And actually, maybe even this boat might be for sale once we're finished borrowing it. So ring up the guys at Genesis Craft, let them know you want this boat or you want a boat that's similar to this. Follow them on their Instagram page. You'll be able to see all their boats in action, the different layouts. And yeah, give them a call if you want a boat like this of your own. All right, time to up anchor and let's head up the inside of this lagoon here and see what we can run into. The water looks nice and clear, so fingers crossed we find some cool animals. Big bommy there, almost comes out of the water. There's a couple of really nice patches of reef here just behind the camera that we're keen to jump in, have a bit of a snorkel and see what there is. Sometimes in this really shallow water there's actually some large fish, so let's go have a look. We've just come out to some deeper water to go spearfishing. We've found a heap of birds diving on bait fish. Chances are there's bigger fish, big pelagics underneath all that. So we're gonna jump in here, fingers crossed we can spear some nice fish. So we're actually heading back into mainland later this afternoon. So it's really nice to be able to bring some fish back with us to share with family and friends.
The water looks so clear here. Look at that. Let's go get the best seat in the house. Let's go, Captain.
Keep an eye out for any tiger sharks. They love this type of area, don't they?
Alright, today in the Castaways Genesis kitchen we're gonna have cobia in breadcrumbs, super easy. Lunch is served.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Wow, well done.
Another one coming.
Oh,
Oh, don't spill mine.
come on up.
How is it?
Yeah, awesome.
It's nice up here.
So cool. There's a dugong, Fran, just up there, like,
Really?
yeah, maybe a kilometre up the reef.
That's awesome.
All right, now the whole point of this overnight trip we've just done was really to get familiar with the boat. It was a bit of a test run.
Yep.
The good news is she works.
Yeah,
So
and we're ready for a bigger adventure.
yeah, we're ready for a big one, guys. We're gonna go get stocked up and then get back out on the water. But
Yeah.
thanks for watching this one.
Subscribe and we'll see you next Sunday.
See you guys. Cheers.